I got something to show you. There is the first thing that's been donated to the channel. Now, my dear friend David had this in the rafters of his shed, and he gave it to me. So we're going to clean it, and we're going to paint it, and we're going to use it to replace old Busted. So stick around for that. This one's going to turn out nice, and I have an idea for that inside that emblem. I'm trying to get a hold of another friend of mine so I can maybe get something 3D printed, or maybe a sticker made for inside that emblem. Hey, you're here. Hit like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell. Help support this channel. Okay guys, here's a little trick. See, I want it to look the best from the angle it's going to be seen at. Alright? So, what I'm looking for, because this thing is going to be mounted in the truck like this. So you're going to be viewing it from this direction, right? So I don't want anything looking wrong or missing a spot from this angle, looking down at it, because this is where the cowl is going to be, and the latch is here, and I want, from this view, I want it to be really nice. I can have some blemishes from this view because not a lot of people besides probably me is going to be on their hands and knees looking up from it from behind or from underneath. So I want this view to be the best, and I can't see anything that doesn't look covered right now. Now this isn't finished. I'm gonna let this go for a day, and then I'm going to come back and do another coat on it, because it's going to take abuse, because you know this is taking the air, and this is taking the bugs, and this is taking the grit, and this is taking the grime. So I want this on here nice, but right now I'm happy with this as it is, and I can't find anything wrong with this grill. It's intact. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. hit that bell, and have a great day. Because a great day today could mean a really pretty part tomorrow. Y'all be good.